Are you feeling stuck in a relationship, or you feel that your relationship isn't getting anywhere? Well, have you even thought about why this is happening? This is where I would like to ask you to be a little aware of what are you thinking all day. Okay? Because if you're constantly thinking and that the other person doesn't listen to you, or you have certain expectations and the person just doesn't care, I would like you to pay attention on what you're thinking, because whatever you're thinking on an ongoing basis is something that is going into your subconscious mind, and your subconscious mind will create exactly what you are thinking. So pay attention to your dominant thoughts. Things like उसको मेरी पड़ी नहीं है, किसी को कोई चिंता नहीं है, nobody loves me, nobody cares for me. When you continually speak about those things manifest in your life. So why not try the other way around? Start being more conscious about your words. Say what you want, think what you want rather than saying what you don't want. So maybe you can start with a simple affirmation that I have a wonderful relationship with so and so person. I share a very blissful and a constantly happy relationship with so and so person. And when you continue repeating that is what goes into your subconscious mind, right? Now the challenge with the subconscious mind is it never asks you questions. So if you keep repeating negative things, it's going to give you negative results. If you keep saying the right things that you want, it is going to manifest that for you. So why don't you try this? Keep a nice picture of you and the other person in your bedroom, right opposite where you sleep, or on your phone. And just before sleeping, visualize the person and you having an amazing relationship. Affirm to yourself that I have a fantastic relationship with so and so person. Try this for a few days and you can see the relationship switching. The reason for that is because when you keep saying what you want, you're sending out those kind of vibrations, and things start to happen in that way. Now, who are we working on in this case? Are we trying to fix the other person? No, you can never fix anybody. There's only one person you can work on this entire planet, and that is yourself. And it doesn't mean that we are bad people. We just have to focus on our thoughts, on our words, on the pictures that you see in our mind, because those are the things that create your reality. If you keep seeing in your mind the bad relationship, trust me, nothing's going to change. So change the pictures in your mind, speak the right words, think the right thoughts, and you can see how your subconscious mind can actually help you to create a wonderful relationship. Okay? Wish you all the best. Thank you for listening, and for more such videos, follow us. And like at Rise Academy, we always say, Soch badlo, dunya badlo.